In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a British accent in Elevenlabs. This is a great tool if you're looking to give your voiceovers or projects that distinct and charming British flair. So let's jump right into the steps and make sure your next project sounds just how you imagined it. First, we'll start by navigating to your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the text-to-speech section. This is where the magic happens, and you'll transform your text into a delightful British accented narration. It's all pretty straightforward, but it's important to take your time familiarizing yourself with the dashboard and its options. As you explore, look for the text-to-speech feature to get started. Next, it's time to input your text. Whether you've got something short and sweet or a longer script that needs that touch of British elegance, type it all into the text area provided. This step is all about preparing your content, so ensure the text is clear and grammatically correct. Double-checking it at this stage will save you from having to redo it later due to a missing letter or misplaced punctuation. Now, you'll need to click on the Generate Speech button. This is where the real transformation begins, as your text is processed into a speech recording with a British accent. Keep in mind that the software will take a moment to work its magic, translating your typed words into a professional-sounding voiceover. While it works, try envisioning how your content will sound with that crisp, quintessentially British pronunciation. Finally, once the speech has been generated, you'll be presented with a sample to listen to. This is an essential part of the process as it allows you to hear exactly how the British accent has been applied to your text. Take this time to listen carefully to the output. If you're happy with the result, fantastic. You're ready to use it in your project. If it needs a little tweak here or there, simply go back, make those adjustments in your text, and click Generate Speech again. Using Elevenlabs to create a British accent is not only straightforward, but also incredibly effective for adding unique character to your text-to-speech projects. With these simple steps, you can bring a touch of British charm to your content, making it engaging and distinctive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in achieving the perfect British accent for your texts. Enjoy creating with Elevenlabs.